set up in the bunker. It's the day after Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays or whatnot. It's supposed to be some hill climbs and some concerts or something this weekend. Might go get some riding in today. I think it's supposed to rain, so try to beat it. But yeah, leave a like if you guys enjoy. Alright, this is the hill I climbed last time, and then this is what the bounty's for on Saturday. It looks terribly small on camera, but Saturday you'll see some of those crazy side-by-sides going up that thing. Then there's a few more tiny ones up there to the right. This is the top of the hill climb. To give you a little bit of perspective, you can see some of these ruts and just the sheer. But those are the itty-bitty little side-by-sides down there. So it's gonna be real interesting to watch tomorrow. All right, we got drenched last night. We had all of the gear attempting to dry out. Got the bikes getting pulled out this morning. They're pretty dusty and dirty, but on the bright side, we have a new plastics kit at home, new seat, new rad cover, all that good jazz. This thing will be looking brand new after this trip, but still gotta get the Kawasaki out of there. But yeah, so we're gonna try to get everything dry by lunch, because I think that's when the hill climb is. So we'll go out there, play around, get some good footage, some GoPro footage of some hill climbs, and just have a good time.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.